Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lorna Recommend, and if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. Today, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to make your first $10,000 online, because there is literally money to be made in the digital online space using your laptop or phone. And all you need to do is to have the right mindset, the right game plan, and then you plan to execute it. That's why in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 ways for you to make your first $10,000 online in the shortest amount of time possible. So stay right where you are and I will be right back. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button and share this video with your friends and family also. Now then, let's dive right back on into this video on how to make your first $10,000 online. Now then, the first way to make your first 10K online is by being a remote sales rep, even if you've not sold anything before, and it's certainly a skill that you can acquire fairly quickly. For sure, there's a third of you that sales will come naturally to. Then there'll be a third of you who can learn and easily make your first 10K within a few months just by being an online sales rep. Then there is the third of you who realize it's just best to avoid sales altogether, like it's just not your calling or your strong position, but that's okay. So just be your authentic self. So then you would be better off making money elsewhere, and we are going to get into it. The best part of being a sales rep is the fact that you can work remotely, which is such a big plus. So then, the second way to make your first 10K is by flipping sneakers. Yes, I said it, flipping sneakers. The price of shoes is a very lucrative business, and so you can go right ahead and educate yourself on this. Then you can capitalize on this, and it doesn't even need to be a pair of super hype model. For instance, it could be just some New Balance 550s, which normally go for double retail. So it's a good idea for you to have the right systems in place to actually get it at a retail price and then market it right and make, say, $20 to $30 markup on eBay. Undeniably, there is a lot of money to be made in the world of sneakers. You could, of course, flip shoes like Benjamin Kicks. The next way to make money online is with YouTube. And for all of you watching this, I'd say that you have what is needed to be successful on YouTube. All you need to do is just kick fear to the curb and start your YouTube channel, because it's a lot easier than you might imagine. It's just so life-changing creating a YouTube channel, and it's certainly not too late either, because it's time to be master of your own destiny. Just know for sure that you won't be great at first, but you will certainly get better and better with time. The next way to make your first $10,000 online is by drop shipping. Now then, drop shipping is about finding products online and basically marketing them through Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok, Instagram, or whatever. And you don't even need to hold any inventory, because you will then have a third party to actually deliver the product, which means you are then the middleman. I'm mentioning this because you already have free marketing resources such as Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. So you can actually get free traffic, so that means it's costing you nothing for advertising. This then is definitely a very viable way to make your first $10,000 online by way of drop shipping. The next way to make money online is what most people are afraid to do, because they're afraid it might flop and people would request refund. However, you launching an online course and being successful is certainly lucrative, simply because it's a one-time product you make and then you sell it over and over again. again, just go ahead and utilize your life skills and knowledge and put it into an e-online course and make for yourself some really good money from that. So then, the next avenue for you to make your first $10,000 online is so good because it does not require you to make the actual product. This is called affiliate marketing, and you only need to look for a product or service you like or resonate with, and basically you promote it on your social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. For example, Amazon have affiliate marketing programs, and you only need to sign up with a well-known and popular company such as Amazon, who will then issue you with your own personalized link and furnish you with all the information you need to succeed. You can, of course, promote more than one product. This is such a great business model because you don't need any experience whatsoever to do this, simply because it's a beginner-friendly business model. Again, you only need to use your social media accounts and gain free traffic and use it to convert affiliate sales by people clicking on your link, and you can go on to make a full-time income from this business model. Now then, the final way I'm going to recommend to you is for you to become a high-impact video editor. Nowadays, companies are starting to realize that video marketing is the way forward. There are a lot of smart influencers and companies that recognize this and are hiring video editors. So then, basically, you take clips from podcast videos and post it on TikTok accounts, Reels accounts, and Shorts. Now then, as an editor for high impact content, you can specifically say that your editing has peaked or improved watch time or retention, and this makes you stand out from amongst the crowd or special compared to just regular editors. This is such a big advantage, and if you can have confidence in yourself and put you out there and be part of this enormous creator economy boom, then you'll certainly set yourself up for your future. So then, guys, it's time for you to use the knowledge you've been given and choose wisely from these great 7 money-making business income ideas, the ones that are a good fit and are right for you. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, without further ado, this is Lorna Recommend, and please remember to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button and leave me a comment below letting me know how you're getting on. So this brings us to the end, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.